Hello everyone, welcome to GK Updates. Let's start our interesting session. The first one is Golden Dragon military exercise is a bilateral drill between China and which country? The right answer is Cambodia. Here are some interesting facts about this bilateral drill are recently Cambodia and China launched their largest ever Golden Dragon joint military exercise. Golden Dragon is a yearly bilateral military drill between China and Cambodia started in 2016 to boost strategic and defense cooperation. The 2025 edition focus on joint counter-terrorism operations and humanitarian relief, showcasing peace and capacity building goals. It is being built at the Ram Naval Base in Sihanouk, Kiluli, Cambodia, which was inaugurated in April 2025 with the arrival of Chinese warships. The exercise includes high-tech tools like recognition assistance and attack drones, surgical robots, and robot dogs, showing a move towards tech driven warfare. The next is Mudko Dweep that was recently seen in news is located in which state? The right answer is Chhattisgarh. Here are some interesting facts about this Madku Dweep are. Recently, the Chhattisgarh High Court has been closely monitoring development works at Madku Dweep due to its cultural and historical value. Madhkur Dweep is located in the Shivnath River in Bilaspur district of Chhattisgarh. The island covers about 24 hectares and is named Madhku because its space resembles a frog. It is also called Kedar Tirth and Harihar के कस्त्रा केदार द्वीप. Archaeologists have found ancient stone tools, coins, and inscriptions dating back to the 3rd century BC. The next is which organization has developed a high pressure nanoporous multi-layered polymetric membrane for seawater distillation. The right answer is Defense Research and Development Organization, in short DRDO. Here are some interesting facts about this high pressure nanoporous multi-layered polymetric membrane are Recently, the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) developed a high-pressure nanoporous multi-layered polymetric membrane for seawater distillation. The project was carried out by Defense Materials Stores Research and Development Establishment, in short DMSRDE, Kanpur, under the Atma Atmanirbhar Bharat incentive. This membrane is made to suit the needs of the Indian Coast Guard, in short ICG, especially to resist chloride ion damage in salty sea water. It will be used on offshore patrol vessels, in short OPVs, of the Coast Guard to ensure a self reliant supply of fresh water on board. Desalination means removing salts from seawater to make it accessible for drinking or industry. The next is, where was the Inclusive India Summit 2025 organized? The right answer is New Delhi. Here are some interesting facts about this summit are, on May 15, 2025, the Inclusive India Summit was held at India International Center, New Delhi, to mark Global Accessibility Awareness Day, in short GAAD. The event was conducted in hybrid mode and organized with the Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities, in short DEPWD, under the Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. It was supported by the State Bank of India, in short SBI, Foundation, National Association of People with Disability, in short APD, and Mission Accessibility. The summit highlighted that accessibility and, in conclusion, for persons with disabilities is a shared duty of all society. It focused on three key areas of life for Divyangjan: life, learning, and livelihood. The importance of using technology erase, to ease daily challenges for persons with disabilities was stressed with a call to make it more accessible. The next is, the International Day of Families is observed on which day every year? The answer is 15th May. Sorry for interruption. The right answer is 15th May. Here are some interesting facts about this International Day of Families are, the International Day of Families is observed on 15 May every year. The United Nations General Assembly declared this day in 1983 following recommendations from the Commission. for Social Development and the Economic and Social Council. The 2025 theme is Family Oriented Policies for Sustainable Development towards the Second World Summit for Social Development. The theme highlights the role of family focused policies in dealing with global challenges like technology, migration, climate change, urbanization, and population shifts. The day aims to raise awareness about family related issues and promote their role in achieving the 2030 Sustainable Development Goals, in short, SDGs. This is all in this session. For more videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.